What up, Design Fam? Come with me as we start looking at motorcycles to see what I want. And this is very, so you have cruise control.
Yep.
I can take this off, like you said,
This is
if
quick
I
detach.
want to.
If you want to make the bags quick detach, you can as well.
I would like
Right now
to do
they're
that.
permanently mounted, but they can be just like this.
Okay.
They just make the hardware that goes in there. You got it?
Yes. No, I need to turn.
Nope, you're good. When you're setting it down, it really doesn't matter.
And this is not
You just always make sure you kick the stand forward to make sure it's locked. But yeah.
You like it, buddy?
You should sit on this one.
I don't want you to fall.